Well, today we're talking lung cancer awareness. Kentucky ranks as the worst in the nation in lung cancer cases. So this is something that we are certainly wanting to get on your radar today. Dr. Goetz Kloker with U of L Health is here to dive on into it. Let's start with the symptoms. We know sometimes this can be really tricky to catch.
You're right, Shade. This is very tricky. The symptoms of lung cancer are not very specific. And people in Kentucky cough and they're short of breath, and even if you cough up a little blood, that may not be lung cancer, it could be bronchitis. So there are no specific symptoms, and that's the really hard part in diagnosing lung cancer.
To think that you might just have a cough or a flu, but really something this serious, yeah, I can see how that would be a little bit scary. Well, who should be getting screened? Who's on your radar is most at risk here?
So the guidelines nowadays is if you're over 50, up to 80, and you smoke more than 20 pack years, so a pack of cigarettes per day for 20 years, or half a pack per day for 40 years, that's more than 20 pack years, then you should consider a lung cancer screen every year after age 50.
After age 50, okay,
Yeah.
and that's not something you just do once every year?
Yeah, has to be repeated.
Okay. If someone does get this diagnosis, what are the treatment options like?
So with lung cancer screening, there's a good chance we find it early, and that's the best chance to cure it. So surgery, and nowadays we have minimally invasive with a scope, so not a big surgery, you're out of the hospital within a couple of days, or if surgery doesn't work for one way or the other, stereotactic radiations like a laser radiation, very focused, you get a few shots and then the cancer is likely cured. If the cancer is spread to lymph nodes or farther away, we have to add something else. So that could be many different things.
They can get more serious then.
Yeah.
Well, is there anything at home people should be considering that might help them prevent this altogether?
That's an excellent question. So first of all, stop smoking. Advise your loved ones to stop smoking. And then many people don't know radon, that's a radioactive gas that comes out of the earth, is found in Kentucky homes pretty frequently. So you can check for this. This is a cheap test that you can get at Home Depot or other places. And then if you have it, there's a way to get rid of it.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very
This
much.
is very important. We appreciate you coming on every year to remind us.
Thank you.